Mansa, in country seeming consumed. What's one thing that's uncle saying? What's my was me say and could be in you. A pound out in America.
Me patrol. Your friend Makosi me stand ene. So what I say. Who about you no? I say more brother. I'm a media dinner. China me pese me be who na wofo. Wada my son. Let this be first and last. I'm be any sir. Seriously.
And you mean I'm any sir. Now the tiene say. On one mammy am in the warrior. We free. Ti one any step mother net. And warrior is her. The mimi will fear dear. Nya dear side in a coso. And we pia bon tempe. Now I fetch in what 18. See, and I map my being in eye. He see, I'm a I'm Pia Mansa or Bay. Sanity. Just a beer boy, yes, and me. The banner may bet 18. Happy and to serve.
Okay, let me patch your mate. What can I say, mate? I'll just come back one day and come and visit her. Why? Okay. Yeah, no patch your dear. I have a dead. I tell you.
Jay. And see, oh, quiet comments. What is the one framing po? And beside the way things are going on with me and all that. Are they?
Because not like Nami and Pesame ritual and answer beside, but you see, I want to live in here, I live in here quite different. Do you get it? Nancy, my friend Becatcher me send a boy, bebane boy, send me boy Jay. You see, you can't blame me because me try my man answer bisa. Me try my possible best to reach you on social media, but me now na my decide each and every day. I'm sure me now. And come to think of it, Jane Crown through social media me home. It's not like me na sebia bibisa. Social media I jina me di home. And I started I did in coma and bibia perfect.
Oh, come on. The very perfect thing. So because of her, you know, Baba ignore me and I said him.
Oh, but come on. Mean to me date two girls at the same time. Come on, please. I can't do that.
The journey of 4 letters. And then yet Okabum and I 7. Okay, Bopena Union. But
Mammy Samuelson should in case me Bahanma Abia 180. I don't know how she's gonna do it.
Mansa, was a bripem. A bit to have a Hanoa Betchia. To Obana Miniha or Bonnie, so what in the inn was what they are causing Mansa.
Mammy Samuelson said, like, on whom maybe what in your voice and then so the
oh, Mansa, you're not two voice and one.
Oh, really?
Oh,
okay.
Or two voice and one.
The patch
about the set Ubusumare.
This me,
so now what you see me. Oh,
okay, yeah, what are
yo, any yaminko. Why? Only how? Why?
Okay.
So the wabbit me and Antiaco. My guess you, Manisio. That's how we. What the ideas I could see her. Ah! But Nancy, or Baba to me. You used to be see her. Any pen ya big child. You better send phone. Think I near Funu Papa go be in sick. Osrohine. The Nina Somboni. Now, Boviasi. So when you
come on.
Yes.
Someone to Massey, please.
But Jay, send me or Honoman son a girl nearby. Ah?
Oh, what happened?
Like, me too come and say, girl, he send me boyfriend, beba me boyfriend, beba send me boyfriend. Ah, Jay, just be in my shoes and see how it feels.
Say, Sam, ex. I'm not more your boyfriend. Someone to Massey. Now I'm into Jane, and she's the one I love, and I love her so much. I can't do anything stupid to make her feel bad or something. So please, Timothy, okay?
Oh, there, see me on campus. Oh.
Campus?
Yeah.
No, please. I don't think I can go there because what if you say me corona, me need Jane and him ta. Come on.
Jay hasn't gotten to that.
No,
because of her, she will ignore me. See me on campus square, no so I
she respects me so much, and I need to obey her rules. And you can say me ma Okay, listen, let me see you around, but me to me from our campus. Deal.
Whatever.
Good.
Beyonce.
Yes, baby.
I've not been myself for the past days now.
Why?
I did be happening, Emma Mia. I was asking myself a whole lot of questions. I met this girl, Brana, me. I said, me take it through. So I said, I said, my brain, my menantenant kakra. Me meet you know, she was blind. And also, so I'm trying to help this girl. Kajem said no, so I got to trace her. I'm tracing her. I feel her no. And I'm saying, go on the area.
Our house.
Yes, I'm feel her no.
A blind girl.
A blind girl. Our son so.
As I'm okay, but they aim strange. Now or soon I'll call you feel. Maybe it's all you're blind in it. Maybe why you run or do you call for your own because I don't get it. Blind girl, dear. I don't know her.
Beyonce, who is she?
Baby, no, I don't know what you're talking about. Blind girl, dear, still beating me, baby.
Don't talk to me like I'm some younger, innit? Huh? Your dad came there, a judge, yeah? I'm not catching him, say, me banana. So why are you here just lying to me?
My dad came there and my dad was like, oh, you're never right. Baby, you see.
Don't baby me, please.
We are in your house, come on. It's a long story. I have to tell you now.
Make it short for me, eh?
Okay, fine. Oh, you're Mr. Sister and because she's blind in it, you know. Like, okay,
just talk to me and stop these things. You're not vexing me. And what?
To beat me.
No, I will not beat you up. That's the least thing I will ever do.
I am sorry. I am sorry. She is my sister. And not me catch her, but I don't know. I'm just.
Hi, Mansa. Ha, uba kumbio. Fe, yakasheka. Anja dia watisika watoka na wawaka. Dia wawa driver papa. Wabachekano. Ha, Mansa. Wachekano nemba mihunse yes. Menya driver papa.
Isube kumio. Ish, you can't let me crash me. He do be nam ka se opeso tuma de tututune.
Vansha, ashashia wa humino. Wa dwonsha me ya oluman. Fe. Ashiram ne che shame wangara ne che shame.
E de waji wadi. De bia ya ka alaji fo asa ne de o me say yes we ya alaji. Ya ka sa alaji a. Hey.
Why? Me komaka. Me twa me ya asen. Me twa ka ba ho hia ampranson nyinara amblanche watefe me majira me na so she bram.
O be mu. O be ma.
Vansha.
Alaji.
Mamen kankiro. Sheshe mekuma abubu nyina de ma self content mekuma wa ya self content de ma sheshe kwa no medwene she abayampa anka wo mama waye ayele pane obaya wolegida
enti me yes awane yeyo because panyi de otimi onya empanyi wi it would mean some I didn't tell us of me penny na
fe
denesi
midanfo alaji gurisha wa waka babile na wanya driver for floor was shocker we wo hu she bo joint no wa ye yi wo kakere no We was shock we who.
No. You don't know and what happened. And I asked you a question and you lied to me, yes?
Hey.
Huh? Who taught you that?
What's happening here?
Who taught you that?
No. Hey, Akwesi, you don't talk to a lady like that. Huh?
Dad.
Is that how I taught you?
No, Dad. Dad, you know this is not me.
So why are you doing this?
Ask her. Daddy. So even though no, Sebi obey the demo, why would you just lie? I'm asking your own sister.
Hold on.
No, who denying or what?
What are you talking about?
I wasn't denying her.
But I asked you when I would catch him said the blind girl.
Hey. You are even confusing me.
Daddy, I'm not confusing you.
My lady, come.
Yeah, I said, why the second nature?
Don't go. Just take it easy, okay?
Mommy. Yeah, only say I'm one of the realest people ever. That's what I say. Yeah. And what I hate is lies. That's what I say. I say, let me know.
Wait, take your time and explain to us. That we don't even understand what you're saying.
I saw this beautiful girl on the street. That's what I say. Now since you or a blind girl. So me this sympathy be at the man. And I'm trying to have this girl. One penny so until me Tracy na no copy Beyonce me feel hono.
What?
Copy hono na need that buy. Asking that on us ne banana. Beyonce me know her. Me be so who is this girl? You are telling me that you don't know this girl from nowhere. What is your sister? Huh?
It's okay.
Mommy, I don't need her here. Yeah.
You mean she has a sister who is blind?
Yes, please, Daddy.
And now what was you?
Honey, what do you have? Beyonce, mommy, since I see no kuma a cosoro, ne boof, into Messro, so do coffee, ma menene becassa. I'm a come to you.
Now a first chief driver what the whole want to me who share car no when ya for why would the chief driver shaft one or the driver for frono?
Yes, I abu for me, and where's an any baby with them patch of Miss me mamina here, me pesaka na wine patch of allergy.
Aha, Vansha,
allergy.
The bampana, oh, at the back of you.
Oh, allergy fears a movie, eh? I just away I may fear some my chinchine train. My catcher said to Boissy. When me say me uncle no me of an hour begina ho. I'm a why be beyond Baba me one dear man. Me of an hour 2 coin. Or 2 coin. Oh, tin or bar. Or bar memoir befi no barbechan or empacho. I didn't have to tell me. I said they be out if you have some permits. When you something for uncle few, but I'm a bush for no more hard. So me no one can say ye. Now also as 1% may ajia and I'm me convince you say me peru. So they will see shaman and pem shaman pem manage Osama Missika Bibia me okay until Montemasi and I'll quite in China me can't on the atom and yes be I'm in person do go for you but may try some convince you no better as I'm my ajia. Pesa, anytime for uncle faint, Mr. Toboas, mammy. Ya would tell mammy pana, some that on who say a normal, bounce and your normal, sir. Oh, Sanka, I will cramp and cow baba animanka, Christian Baba, and me count yes, and Tomo Massa, more child, Akasa, some pill, Macuma be do, we a bema or shammy, and maybe swarms to Tomo Boissy. The large Mr. Young to was a mammy. Now some support me mean to me, Cassam, me a Cassam, or more just a crime for so are you. Nti tuwase mami wa mpacho
Vansha shade Vansha wakasha wayi ashem no kura no Vansha when abranti de waba nwom wo frɛ no sha akode hye ho a
Martini de
ayi wakasha sha akode
ada me ma rap na me ma rap sisa godo no rapo
ashem de waka ne bebre no that de one for me and rafi no me ba me da me hwonye so Ankarina na yitu na ni yo wa nabo ke fadi wa nabo mantiashi papa